Hi, everyone. Welcome to Elevation Social Studies. I'm really excited to get to meet you this week. I know that most of you are just starting out fresh this week. So on our page, you'll see the module called Week 6 module. So just know that because you are just starting in at Elevation, you do not need to do modules 1 through 5. You don't have to go back and do all that work. So you'll only see module 6, and that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. So let me just show you some of the things that you'll be seeing this week and show you just how to navigate it a little bit. If you have any other questions, make sure to email me or stop by my office hours. The links are on our homepage. Okay, first thing that I highly recommend is going to the suggested pacing guide. Start your week off there. This is great. It's a slide with all the information for what assignments you should do when. Now, notice that it is suggested pacing, so you can do these however you like. You can do them all in one day if you want to just sit down and get it chunked out. But this is a good way to stretch your workout over the week. You don't have to do it all at once. Okay, so you'll just follow these for each date. Notice down here that it says multiple attempts allowed, highest score kept. You can do these as many times as you want. If you go through it once and feel like you just didn't quite get it, go through it again and resubmit your score. Your grade will go up. There's a video clip for you to watch over here. If you click here, it takes you to a step-by-step checklist of this week's assignments. So you can go through and just make sure that you've done every single one of these. So that is also a really great tool that I would recommend. Okay, I'll go back to our modules and show you a little bit about the assignments. So once you've looked at the pacing guide and walked through what this week holds for you, you'll start with the cartoon discussion. Okay. This is a little bit of fun. You have 3 choices in cartoons. You can choose any one of these, start a new discussion post, and talk about that cartoon. Then you'll also respond to 2 other students in the class. Remember to be polite and specific. I agree is not quite enough information to earn credit, so you'll have to be a little more specific in that. When you're ready to post, just hit reply here. It'll open a new box and you can start typing your opinion and your thoughts in there. Okay, let's go back. You'll also see there are 6 assignments this week. That sounds like a lot, but they're actually pretty small assignments, just separated for you so that it's really clear and easy to work through. There are 3 on the Paleolithic era and 3 on the Neolithic era. So we'll just choose one. They're all the same format. So I'll just show you how one of them works, and you'll see the same thing for the rest of them. You get the idea. Okay. All right. So you'll go into here and see, I'll give my computer just a moment. Okay. You'll see a slide with some introductory information. Make sure you read through that slide and then follow the directions on that slide. So you'll see here, and anything that's underlined like these are links. So you can click on this to find out what that word means. Okay, then you'll go through these slides with these little arrows. All those underlined words are clickable. You go through all of these slides, and then scroll down and answer questions. When you're done answering the questions, make sure you push submit so that it gets graded and comes to me. And you get credit for it. There's also an important thing you might want to look up. If you would like to have the text read to you, you need an add-on called Google Read Write, and these are the instructions for how to add that on and how to use it. Okay, all right, so that's how you'll work through your assignments. There's one other thing that I want to show you before I go. Okay. If you have an accommodation that you only need to do essential work, I've marked all the essential work with these 3 little stars. So 1, 2, 3 stars, those are essential assignments. Make sure that you do those ones. Okay, and I think that's about it, guys. I'm so excited to meet you. Remember that you'll come to a meeting either Wednesday or Friday. You don't need to do both. It's the same class. So choose Wednesday or Friday and follow the links on our homepage, and I will see you then.